Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time stopping by and checking out my videos, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome to you too. So welcome to the first timers, welcome to the returners. So again, my name is Carmen. I love luxury items, and if you like luxury items, then just keep watching. I deal with beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. I ran out of my lip gloss. I want to say 90% of the time I am wearing lip gloss. I went and I picked up this little set, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It has Pretty Please, Fussy, Confetti, Hot Chocolate, and Cheeky. What I ran out was of the Fussy. So I have worn the Fussy before and I really like that color on me. And this little box with the 5 choices right here gives me a chance to choose to try on all 5 of the colors, well, the 4 new ones. So I basically probably on this Confetti, this one right in the middle right here, probably gonna layer that just to give it a little extra pop over something. Maybe like a new lipstick, maybe. There's the 5 different colors. Bond number 9. Who's heard of it? So this Bond number 9, they have perfume, and then they also have this. This is more recent. This has been out more. The perfume has been out longer than this. And I thought this was so cute. Hopefully I will be able to open it. Okay. Look, it's like magnetic. You just pull it out. And that's a beautiful box right there. Then it says Bond number 9. And then you open it up, and this is the information about the product. And it says Bond number 9 Refillable New York Lips Collection, made with passion in New York. And then inside the product. This is the refillable, and then this is the lipstick inside of its little case. The shade is Soho. Can you see that? It's itty bitty print. So here it is. Woo. So here is the color. That looks pretty. All right, so that is Soho. Vegan, cruelty-free, luminescent. Application, one time smooth going on. So there it is, and this is the cover to the case. Very nice. Bond. Let me put this down. Hold on. Okay. Bond number 9. That's pretty cool. There's the inside right there. Yeah. This case with the lipstick inside, and then this refillable is $130. So this can be purchased at Saks Fifth Avenue, or you can go online and purchase it. And so, which brings me to a last couple of things that I have in store for you. Surprise or not surprise. If you read the description, not surprised. If you didn't, if you just clicked on this video without reading the description, then surprise. Boom. No. So, what I have for you today is another unboxing of 2 items. Yes, 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 items. And without further ado, let's get into it. And this is definitely a true unboxing.
When I see these true unboxings, I wonder where they're going to cut themselves, right?
All right, so here we go. There is the box filled with tissue paper, just kind of thrown here and there and everywhere. We have one piece of paper, and we have two pieces of paper. Oh, and then we have a bag that's empty. So that's it. Thank you for watching. No. All right, so then we have that bag, and everything is going to the side. Can you see? Can you see what's in there? I can't see. Oh. All right, so spring, summer 2020 Chanel. Say it with me. Spring, summer 2020 Chanel. And sporadic. And sporadic. And what? More sporadically. Look at this. This is cute. Look at that. Oh, look at. Okay, that is down. Oh my gosh. This is cute. It's just like a little heavy stock cardboard, like, yes, and then the ribbon, it's just a regular ribbon, tie ribbon. It's not like velvet, no. And then your camellia, and then Chanel. I just like it because it's black and white. Kind of like the newspaper print from Dior, black and white. So, if you have not seen my Dior unboxing, please take a look at it. All right, let's get to this. Let's finish this, right? All right, so unboxing. True unboxing. All right, and then, okay, we just got lots of, oh, okay. I'm so sorry. This is all, okay. I never had a white bag like that. I never seen a white bag like this one. Well, not with this, with the holes, cutouts in the back. Okay, and then this is the Chanel. And then on this little bag, it also says Chanel. And see the cutouts, the diamond shaped cutouts? That's pretty cool. And then we go into the item. Oh my goodness. So here it is. We have the little Chanel sticker. And it is ready to wear. There it is. This is a T-E-E shirt. Spring, summer 2020 Chanel collection. So we have the camellia is textured. Then we have sequins. And then you have some crystals. We have crystals right here. We have a textured camellia. We have sequins right here. Coco Chanel. It's almost like a patchwork. is it. Everything is on the front of this T-E-E shirt. Long sleeve in extra large because of the boobies, yes. This is 20P T-E-E shirt, and it's M as in Mary Q175 white and black. White and black, white and black. In an extra large. And this retails for a whopping $2,000. Yeah. So it is white, black, navy blue, and silver. Let me bring it up to you where you can see. Right there. And then in the back, and that is my ready-to-wear Chanel, Coco Chanel, Spring Summer 2020 20P T-shirt. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Let me flip that. Oh, all right, hold on. Let me do it. Okay, there we go. There it is. Are you ready for one more? Just one more. Something small with the camellia, with the nice ribbon that says Chanel on this. And let's open it up. Oh, I'm thinking now that what's in here will go perfectly with that shirt. But what wouldn't go perfectly with that shirt? Anything. Gray jeans, black jeans, white jeans, blue jeans. A black skirt will go good with that shirt. It comes with the little care booklet instructions. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Here they are. Now, yes, they would go excellent with the shirt, but what do you think about them just in general? So you have a black stone right here, and then we have black stones and then crystals and then empty spaces. Let me turn it around where you can see the cutout. Now, these are a little bit weighty. After I took them off, my ear was like a little throbbing. You know, and some people can wear heavy earrings. Here is the tag information. They are 20P earrings, metal with crystal and black. And the number is N as in Nancy 5956. And they retail for $1,175. So that is silver, crystal, and black Chanel earrings. Let me bring that up to you. What I'm reading is right there. And then that price is right here. Whoop. Can you see that? Hold on. Uh-oh. There. Hold on. Woo. Okay. And then this one. I think you can see that clear. And then here's the back. Trying to figure out the lighting. So sorry if you cannot see it. I will put it down in the description for you. Oh, that's bad. Ugh, can't get it right. Okay, so yeah. Let me know, what do you think about them? I'm undecided. I think for sure that yes, they would go definitely with the shirt. Definitely, like without a doubt. It's like a perfect match. Oh my God. Like, ooh. Okay. So there you go. What do you think? I need some music, please. So make sure you check out my video with my Dior unboxing. Please, if any of this content you liked, please make sure you subscribe. So if you liked it, subscribe to it. And then hit the notification bell so you will know each time when I upload a new video. But until the next time, thank you for watching. Have a great day or evening. And until then, stay classy. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to stay classy. All right, all things luxury. Hashtag all things luxury. All right, my name is Carmen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.